And that blizzard on the East Coast has canceled thousands of flights throughout the country. 23BC's Ken Masenchi, who found out if local travelers felt the effects of the blizzard.
It has caused a lot of us rental car companies to have a few cancellations because people are not able to meet their connecting flight to make it here to Bakersfield.
The epic East Coast blizzard is affecting travel here in Bakersfield as travelers are faced with redirected flights or no flight at all.
I was supposed to be leaving this afternoon, but I got canceled last night around midnight, and then by 8 a.m. that flight that they moved me onto had also been canceled.
Jared Smith has been trying to leave New York and fly back to Bakersfield. The canceled flights prompted him to give up on coming back today and look towards the weekend.
I had to move my flight to 6:30 a.m. tomorrow.
A flight that earlier this evening Smith found out was canceled as well, leaving him in New York potentially through Sunday. But he says the airline has been helpful in trying to get people like Smith where they need to go.
Yeah, they're offering like free rescheduling. They're being really kind about it. They're being really nice about it. There's thousands of people being affected right now, so all things considered, they've been pretty nice.
Tatum says that Avis didn't send out notifications saying there may be a high amount of cancellations because of the blizzard. But Tatum and her coworkers often take a look to see how bad the weather is.
As we do, when we hear in advance that there's going to be some cancellations or that some people's not coming, then we do try to look to see just how bad it is.
As for Smith, he's staying positive.